Okay, so I'm shooting on my Pen PL8 here, and I wrapped plastic wrap around it to weather seal it just for this short little walk. But I wanted to show you guys, you know, our first snow really of the season. I mean, we had a little bit, like less than an inch back in December, but you know, today is and then since then it's been pretty mild. So today, first day of spring, we got 5 inches of snow. And you know, I have a tree over here that's normally really beautiful, and I'll show you a couple of pictures of that. I took those a couple years back. I'm not sure exactly when, but last year what happened is it froze overnight and killed all the flowers. Looks like somebody was in my yard. What is this lying here? No idea. That's why I don't like to get packages at home. You know, we got those porch pirates that come out. Look at this. This is really nice. Come back out with one of my other lenses and see what I can do. And I should mention, I am shooting in a custom profile that I made, and I'll show you guys how to do that. It's not that hard. I get lost there.